and the menu. And these are the pictures which we have taken already. And this is the menu. Display, picture, SD, format SD, and Wi-Fi. Default app, AP. So this menu is here. The Fundus Camera FC-100 support Wi-Fi direct function, so you can directly transfer the pictures through Wi-Fi to your phone. So before you do that, you need to connect the Wi-Fi, which is named of the series number of this Fundus camera. And now I have connected it. Then you have to step into the app. The app supports for iOS system only. Now I have stepped in. And before that, you have to add the patient info. So I have set up one. It's bright. So I step in. And now I take a picture. Okay, and now it's directly transferred to the app on the phone. Now it's a summary of Retinal Camera FC-100. It is real-time Wi-Fi transfer, non-mediated. The retinal image of the eye can be taken right away once it's in focus. It is 3.5 screen and supports 3 hours working time, and it is 12 megapixel cameras, and the field of view is 42 degrees.